You will learn about custom agent, that is how you can use agent and customize it to get queries from different websites using their APIs. We are going to use two websites here and they are free. You can go and just create API there. I will show you the website and also the URL. You can go and get your free APIs from there. Now first let's import Hugging Face Hub from LangChain. Import Hugging Face Hub. Now I'm going to store the API key. I will write here import get pass, import os, and then os.environ, and then Hugging Face hub underscore API underscore token, and then I will assign it to getPass. Now I'll get my keys from Hugging Face API. I will copy it from here and then I will paste it here. I've set the environment variable for my keys. Now I'm going to create one LLM model. I will write here LLM and then Hugging Face Hub. Inside this, my first parameter is repo ID. Then I will come here and I will check Mixtral model here. I will click on this to copy and then I will paste it here. And then I will print this LLM model. So we have created this LLM model here. Now we are going to import tools from agent that we can use to write our customized function and use it. So I will write here, first I will import tools from LangChain dot agents import tool. Now to use it, you have to use it like a decorator then tool, and then you can define any function that you want to use it. For example, I will define one function that will give me the length of words. I will write here define get word underscore length, and this will take word as a parameter and this will be string, and its output is going to be an integer, and then it will do nothing but just return the length of word. Now so it says that function must have a docstring if description not provided. Okay, so I have to write a docstring here. I will write here returns the length of a word. So now you have to write this docstring, otherwise you will get an error. Now I'll call this function get word length, and then I will just write here, let's say LangChain. I got 9 here. It says that there are total 9 characters in this word LangChain. Now we are going to use an API key from Tavily. For that, I will import some of the libraries from LangChain import hub, then from LangChain dot agents import agent executor, then create self ask with search agent. This we will use to get answers from the websites. Then from LangChain underscore community dot LLMs import fireworks. We are going to also use this fireworks website, and then from LangChain underscore community dot tools dot tably. From this also we will use its API. I will write here tably answer. We will get answer from this website. And now we also have to store the API keys for this tably. So I will just copy this from here and paste it here. Now instead of this Hugging Face API token, we have to write it for tably. So I will write here tably underscore API underscore key. And now let me take you to the website. So this is the website tably AI. You can come on this website and create your free API key. This is my API key. I will just copy it from here. I'll come back here, execute this code and save my API key here. Now I'm going to create an agent, and first I will create a prompt. I will write here prompt is equal to, I have to write in small letter, hub dot pull, and then I will write here chase 17, then self ask with search. This is what we are using from this agent here, you see here. So you can also customize your prompt. And now I'm going to create an API key for this Fireworks API, this one. So I will copy this from here and then I will paste it here. And now here I will change this to Fireworks underscore API underscore key. And now let me take you to its website. So this is the Fireworks API. You have to come on this website and sign up for free. Then you will get your API. Now I'm going to copy this API from here and then I will just paste it here. So now I have saved the API from Hugging Face, then Fireworks and then tably. Now let's run our agent. And before that, I will define agent executor. I will write here agent executor, and then I will call this agent executor that we imported. Inside this agent is going to be our agent, and tools is nothing but our tools. Verbose is equal to true, and then handle passing error, this is also is equal to true. Agent is not defined. I forgot to define agent. Let me define our agent first. And for that, after creating this Fireworks API, I will first create our LLM using this Fireworks. I will write here Fireworks, and then I will define agent. Agent is equal to create self search agent LLM, then I will pass tools, and then I will pass prompt that we created here. Now let us execute our code. So tools, it says tools is not defined, okay, because I have to create a tably tool here. I will write here tools is equal to, in dictionary I will write tably answer, and then maximum result, it is one of the parameter, maximum results, it is going to be 1, and name is going to be intermediate answer. So now we have tool, we have LLM, we have agent. So we are passing here in this agent LLM, tools and prompt. So we have this tools, prompt and then LLM, and we are passing here LLMs, tools and prompt. Let us execute our code. And so now it has created this agent executor. Now let us execute this agent executor to ask questions. I will write here agent executor, and from this I will call invoke, and this will take dictionary. So I will write here my question is going to be input, and in this I will pass my question, and my question is who is the current president of the USA. Now it says entering new agent executor chain. So it says that the input is who is the current president of the USA. It says Joe Biden. So here I don't have to import any text document to get this answer. I'm getting this from the websites because I'm using these two API from Tably and Fireworks, and I can also change this question. So let's say I will copy this from here and then I will paste it here, and my question now changes to what was the venue of 2022 FIFA World Cup. It says entering new agent executor chain. So the output is Doha, it is in Qatar, and if you see here it will also give you follow-up questions on its own. So it says where is Qatar, because the last venue of this 2022 FIFA World Cup was Qatar. So now it is telling us follow-up question, where is Qatar? Qatar is a country in West Asia located on the northeastern coast of the Arabian Peninsula. It shares its sole land border with Saudi Arabia to the south and is surrounded by the Persian Gulf. The capital of Qatar is Doha, so the final answer is Doha. You see how beautifully we are getting this answer. So you can try your own questions and get your answers. For that you just need to create two API from these two free websites. You just have to go and sign up. You use your Google and it will sign up. It will hardly take 1 minute for each website and you will be done. Then first you have to create this Hugging Face LLM. Then you can use this tool just to check how it works. So this is nothing but we were just checking how this tool works, and then finally you will import the API keys for this Tably. You will create tools, then you will create a prompt, and then LLM after importing this Firefox API, and then you will create this agent executor. And once you have this agent executor, you can start questioning your LLM. That's all for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.